Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ren. I'm known as Daily Queen. Yes, we are queen over here. On this channel is all about home decor, cooking, cleaning, vlogging. So yes, if you have not joined the family yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today is going to be cooking day, putting my groceries away and showing you guys how I get my meal prep for the week. So yeah. So let's get into the video. It's everything. Like, if you haven't tried this popsicle, you need to. It's really good. So first I season my chicken because I love a good old seasoning. Like I just can't eat any meat without seasoning it like properly. So yes, and I let it marinate for like a day before. You can do a couple hours, which is fine. And here we go. We are going to cook the rice. I don't know how you guys cook your rice, but the way I cook mine is very simple. Just with salt, water, of course you need water, salt and oil. Sometimes I use butter, and onions. Sometimes I don't use onions, sometimes I do. My husband loves adding onion to it, so I do add onion to mine. Let me know, how do you guys cook your rice? Do you just simply just cook it with salt or just without salt? Just let me know. Put it down in the comment section below, please. When I tell you this meal prep was everything, the food looked good, it tastes good. I mean, this really helped us throughout the week. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you learned one thing or two. Do you guys do meal prep too? Like, let me know in the comment section below if you guys do meal prep, or you going to try this week to meal prep. Let me know. I'm very interested to know. Yeah, and also I didn't tell you where I bought the containers. I bought it from Ross. It was like $5.99 for 12 pieces, and some of them were like 24 pieces, which is like the lid and the container himself make it 12 pieces for me. I mean 12 container for me. But yeah, that's how where I bought it from. And you can also find it at TJ Maxx or Burlington, because I've been seeing them there also. So yeah. Yes, I was going to use the chicken that I air fry, but I decided to save that for my kids, for their meal prep as well. Yeah, but yeah, this food looks so good. It tastes so good. I mean, me and my husband, we just like, it's easy for us, just grab and heat it up, and sometimes I freeze it because it's a lot of food and we can't eat the same thing throughout the week. So I will freeze it and bring it back, maybe the other week or the following week or something like that. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. If you did stick around all the way to the end of this video, you gotta comment down and let me know what you think. Tell me hi, hey, or where you watching from, please. I need to know. We need to actually communicate somehow, catch up. How you doing? I'm doing good. I know I'm blessed and highly favored. I always say that. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think. And also don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Join the family, because we over here, we do cleaning, cooking, meal prep, all kind of fun stuff, motherhood, lifestyle. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and I pray that everybody have a blessed week.